Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, here with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace the screen on a Samsung Galaxy SM-R600 watch. So let's begin. Go ahead and take your tweezers and just take out the mesh from the actual screws. Next, after that, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the bands off. Next, go ahead and take your Y screwdriver. It's going to be a 2.0 by 25 millimeter Y screwdriver. Pull out the 4 screws. Alright, once that is done, you'll just take a small flat-headed screwdriver, and then on the end, just go in there. You'll feel it once it goes in a little bit. Make sure not to push too much because it can break the LCD ribbon, and then you'll hear it pop out. Go from each corner. Just pull that back housing out. And next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this plastic pry tool. Make sure it's not metal because you can't puncture the battery while taking it apart. So go ahead and push up on the ribbons. Take the ribbons off. Next, we're gonna go back to the flat-headed screwdriver, and on the end, on the sides, you will see that there's gonna be 3 points that you can pry up on. Go ahead and pry up on one of them and make sure you're holding the ribbon back just to make sure it slides out perfectly. Next, we're gonna go ahead and take the replacement screen and push back the ribbon. Put the ribbon back in. Before pushing it down, make sure that the side buttons don't end up popping out. Just put those back in. But now we can plug the ribbons back in since we are just replacing the screen, and make sure the unit does power on. Sometimes you do just have to hold it and reset it. Oh, perfect. Perfect. All right, next you can proceed to the next step. And then what we're gonna do is add some 704 glue. You can also use B7000, but I just use 704 glue in a B7000 small bottle. And then next, just go around. All right, make sure this little cap goes into that slot. Now you can just clip it in. Take the Y screwdriver again. Screw back the screws. Next, we're going to take the tweezers again and put the mesh back in. It already has glue on the sides or on the insides of them, so you don't need to put any type of adhesive on. Alright, next we're just going to power it off. Next, on the right hand side, there's going to be the buttons. Make sure to put the band with the clasps on top. And just pull down on the actual pin. Should slide right into place. Alright. And that is how you replace the screen on a Samsung Galaxy SM-R600 watch. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.